Welcome to our channel. If you want to improve mobile data speed while using the Bank of America mobile app, follow this simple guide to optimize your connection and app performance. Step 1. Check your mobile data signal strength by looking at the signal bars on your device. Move to an area with better reception if the signal is weak. Step 2. Close all unnecessary apps running in the background that may be consuming bandwidth and slowing down your mobile data. Step 3. Open your device settings and navigate to mobile data or cellular settings. Step 4. Enable LTE or 4G if available and ensure your device is connected to the fastest available network. Step 5. Clear the cache for the Bank of America app by going to Settings, then Apps, then Bank of America, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Step 6. Open the Bank of America mobile app and log in. Check for any app updates in your App Store and install the latest version for optimal performance. Step 7. Disable automatic app updates and background data usage for apps you're not currently using to free up bandwidth for Bank of America. Step 8. Turn off data-heavy features like automatic video playback or high-resolution images in other apps while banking. Step 9. If speed remains slow, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your cellular connection. Step 10. Consider contacting your mobile carrier if persistent speed issues occur, as they may be experiencing network congestion or technical problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.